Okay guys, back to double games. Dito tayo sa Berkat Bowlers. Master. Yes, good for 2 points by Master. This program is brought to you by Buddha Buddha. Nasa bola ng Berkat. Nugot. Rebound by Blackman. Pass to Master. Master, control mo. Pass to Bong Navarro. Nugot. Rebound by Blue Boys. Blue Boys controlling the ball. Pass to Orange Boys. To Green Boys. Yes! No God. A rebound by Orange Boys. Orange Boys na lumulubos. Nakalibre yung isa. Nasa corner. Wala. Rebound again. Yes. Good for 2 points. Pass to Bong. Bong controlling the ball. Nagharap ang kapas. Dumiretso. Yes! No God. Rebound by Master. Master harassed by number 4. Pass to Bong. Bong controlling the ball. Nasa corner. Naghanap ang kapasahan. Pass to Dino. Dino. Controlling the ball. Pass to Blackman. Dino. Nasa Rimbo. Wow. Wala. Rebound by White Boy. Pass break. Nakuha ni Roddy Boy. Roddy Boy controlling the ball. Pass to Dino. Dino from the Rimbo. No good. Rebound again the Blackman. No good. Post out. Rebound by Bong. Bong pass to Blue. Blue nakuha ng Blue. So, bola sa kabila. Nakuha ni Green Boys. Green Boys naghanap ang kapasahan. Pass to Orange Boys. Leads up. Blue got. Rebound by Roddy. Roddy nasa baseline. Pass to Master. Master. Naghanap ng kapasahan. Okay. Sino pangalan yan? Master. Post up. No good. Yes. Symbol. This program is brought to you by Red Bull, the Buddha Buddha, the Buddha Buddha, the official water of Berkat GWC. Buddha Buddha water. Alam mo, pag makainom kayo ng Buddha Buddha water, para kayo nakainom ng ice buko. Nasa Dino from the Rainbow. No good. Rebound by Blow. Pass break. Okay. Controlling by Blow. Hanap ng kapasahan. Nasa corner. Wala. Yes. Lost ball. Roddy.
Buddha Buddha.
From Buddha Buddha water. Okay, coach, sa may masabi mo sa mga players mo, medyo tagilid.
Energy Buddha Buddha.
Medyo tagilid ngayon yung mga tira. Okay, back to the ball game tayo mga kapatid, mga kaibigan. Biga-biga shoutout mo na dyan sa Pinas. Nandito tayo naka-live sa Doha, Qatar. Oh, good. There's a whistle. Lost ball play. Okay, bola sa Berkat from the baseline. Master. Pass to Bong. Bong to Master. No Master. Rebound by 25. Pass break. Nagmamadali yung Orange, harass by Bong. Dumidiretso, there's a whistle, lost ball, foul. This program is brought to you by Buddha Buddha, the official water of Qatar.
Pag uminom ka, utugan titi mo.
Pag uminom ka dito mga kapatid, hindi mo talaga maganda maghahanap ka na ng ballpen, isulat mo na yung pangalan mo. Baka makalimutan yung pangalan mo pag uminom ka ng Buddha Buddha water.
Back to the game ball.
Back to the bell game. Okay. Wow, mali. Nagharas by Black. Pass to Dino. Nakuha ni Dino. Nagmamadawi. Dino. Nasa gitna. Pass to Master. Master Vision. Good for 2 points by Master. The official peace wash. The official peace wash. Peace Master. Eskinol. Ito si coach, medyo kalmado yung coach natin dito mga kaibigan, medyo malakas yung mga players na ngayon dahil nakainom ng Buddha water. Back to the ball games. Okay. Nasa Blue. Dumidiretso. Wow. Lost ball. Bola sa kabila. Buddha.
Naglaro yung mga Nigeria dito ngayon.
Okay.
Bubula.